Welcome back to DoorKing Tech Tips. Today we will be programming an automatic relay activation, also known as a hold open schedule, on the DKS 2112. Let's get started by logging in at https://dksti.com. Now that you have logged into your account, to pull up your systems, click on Manage Systems on the left. With your Entry Systems page now displaying all of your available systems, click on Schedule under the Hold Open tab for the account you want to edit. Under the Hold Manager for your system, you will see all of your current schedules listed below. To edit or remove a schedule, use the appropriate button on the right. To add a new schedule, use the button on the left. Since we will be adding a new schedule, this is the button we will be clicking. When creating a schedule, there are a few things you must fill out. The schedule we will be creating today will be for our gym. So the first thing to do will be to name the schedule. We will name it Gym Hours to make things easier in the future. With the schedule now named, we next need to set up the times the door will be unlocked. The start time is when the door or gate will unlock or open, and the end time is when the door or gate will relock or close. So here we have set our gym door to unlock at 8 a.m. and relock at 10 p.m. The next setting in creating a hold schedule is the frequency. The frequency can be set to once, where you can select the date below on a calendar pop-up, daily, so every day of the week, weekdays, which are Monday through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, which are weekends only, or weekly, again on a specific day of the week. We will be selecting daily since our gym is open every day. Now the last setting to select is the door. Since our relays are labeled, this is easy. We will be selecting the gym relay as this is for our gym door. You should now have all of your new hold schedule filled out. Go ahead and click Submit to update the system, and return to the current hold schedules already programmed into your system. Congratulations on programming your first DKS 2112 hold open schedule. You can now check to see if your door is holding open like you have planned, and we'll see you next time for more DoorKing Tech Tips.